So here I am with today's mathematician. This is Andre, and we've been having so much fun with the double and halving strategy, which Jamie, you already knew it, and I so appreciated that you shared that even though you already knew that strategy, there was still something more to learn from it. So thank you for that, Jamie. But I found on Teachers Pay Teachers a set of task cards, and we're doing one of these pages a day because what I'm finding is that if I don't practice this strategy with my students over and over every single day, they don't remember to use it. They love it. They think it's fantastic. I mean, this is the one, remember when Bryce said, this is worth $700 to come to this school a month to learn this strategy? But even Bryce will forget to use it, so we've got to practice it. So this set is at TPT, and it's by ShelleyGrayTeaching.com, and it's just called the Double Halving Task Cards. So we were working on this one yesterday, 32 times 5. And Andre said something really interesting that I wanted to share with you. So you'll notice Andre is not doing 32 times 5 in the traditional way. I tell them if they use a multiplication sign, that's a 4th grade way. This is more of a 6th grade way, and he's choosing to use the 6th grade way. So, Andre, go ahead and double and half this for us.
Before I should probably better like and subscribe.
You better. All right. Can you write on it just right here?
Okay.
Okay, he's gonna double and half it. Wait, stop.
Oh.
Okay, and put your little dot there.
Go.
All right, that's where I was hoping to go.
But it's too hard for some 4th graders.
So what I did, what Andre said something. We got this far, and now we can do this problem. But then Andre said something. What did you say, Andre?
You keep going to make it easier.
So he did. He kept going. So keep going, Andre. Show him what you did.
No, wait. That's 80.
Oh, I love that you caught that mistake there.
80, that's 80.
Are you trying to double 80?
Yeah, 160. And then equals 160.
This made me so happy because he not only figured out how to double and half it, he said, I want to keep going. And he did. He went all the way to 1 times 160. If we had been doing the standard algorithm, he would have gotten the answer as quickly as he could, done, turned it in. But this one, he kept going, he kept thinking. I'm really starting to rethink this whole multiplication business. Should we be introducing the standard algorithm at all in these lower grades? I think we should be, or should we be teaching things like this over and over and over again, and then later on, maybe in 6th grade, introduce the standard algorithm? We had a lot of fun with this, huh, Andre?
Yeah.
All right, thank you, Andre. What I really love about this set is that it only has 6 problems, but it has a real variety of problems. It has word problems, it has thinking about strategy problems, and we were working on this one, 40 times 9, and the instructions say to choose a strategy. Decide what strategy you're going to use. And I just kind of assumed, since we've been working previously on multiples of 10 times a single digit, that they would just be able to do it right then. But Autumn said, let's do double and half. And Autumn, why don't you do that for us?
So half the 40. Oh,
I like how you're explaining it.
Again with the 1. Now with the 5.
Now, you'll notice that Autumn used the parentheses. I've taught the students this is a 4th grade method. The dot is kind of a 6th grade method, and Autumn wanted to go straight middle school method, so that's pretty exciting. But this resulted in something that was a little disappointing to me, and because I can't do 20 times 18 mentally. And so I was a little disappointed, and I told the class that. And then Isaac swooped in with a powerful statement, which was what, Isaac?
Do it again until it works.
Can we do that, Isaac?
Here you go. And thank you. And I go to 40. And then I go to the 9. And I like the dot.
He likes the dot method.
And yeah.
And that gets us right back to where we started. But it really took some thinking. We did some extra thinking. And so we just wanted to share with you one of the strategies that we're using for multiplying. Say bye.
Bye. Like and subscribe.
I wanted to make sure I realized I said there are only 6 problems. There are only 6 problems per page, but you get multiple pages, of course. And this is what it looks like if you go hunting for it on TPT. But thank you for spending this time together with me today and with my students, and I'll see you next week.